Hey, my name's Les and this is Get Back an Hour in Every Day workshop. It's just 90 minutes and it's full of information. I often say it's machine gun material. A lot of workshops you'll get in there and they'll give you a little bit and go, no, come and work with me later. The real thing is in working with me. But I'm going to give you the full 9 yards. I'm going to give the whole lot. I'm going to give you so much that you'll walk away with a huge amount of actions that you can immediately implement into your day to give you back an hour in every day. So it's really fun. It's got lots of material in there. Bring a notepad and something to write with, because you want an action plan, something that will give you back takeaway actions that will give you back that hour. We'll do meetings, we'll do trusted systems, we'll do procrastination, we'll look at some productivity hacks that you can put in immediately that will help you gain time back. This isn't for the faint-hearted. It's only for those that are really committed on making things happen in your life. I will often say to people, why do you want an hour back? And that's a great place to start, because if you determine what it is you want to create the hour for, it gives you more impetus to do the work to create the hour. And I'll give you those tools in this workshop. So it's on the 27th. There are two options. One option happens to be online at 7:30 in the morning, so you can do that in your jammies, or you can get together. We're doing it at 12 noon on the 27th in a venue to be determined, but it's going to be in Geelong. All right, I think that's about it. I look forward to seeing you in the workshop. You're going to love it. Everybody will get not a physical one, but a digital version of the book Get Back an Hour in Every Day. So everyone that attends will get a digital version of this to take away, and not the physical, but the digital version, which is the A to Z of being more productive. So as a bonus, and that's valued at $24.95. So you're paying $25 and you get a PDF worth. It's a no-brainer, really. All right, we'll see you in the video. No, we won't see you in the video. We'll see you in the seminar on the 27th. All right, bye.